Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks in the Fidelity app. First, download the Fidelity Investments app from your preferred app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and securely log in using your established username and password. It's crucial to ensure your brokerage account is properly linked and active before proceeding with any trades. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready to explore investment opportunities right from your phone. Before you can purchase stocks, you'll need to ensure your Fidelity account is funded. Head over to the Transfers section within the app, usually found in the main menu. From there, you can easily initiate a transfer from your linked bank account directly into your brokerage account. Select the specific amount you wish to deposit, perhaps $500, and then carefully confirm all the transfer details. Funds typically become available within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Now for the exciting part, finding and buying your desired stocks. Use the prominent search bar at the top or bottom of the app to locate a company by its ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple, or by its full company name. Once you've found your stock, review its current price and essential financial data. When ready, tap the Trade button, enter the number of shares you want to purchase, and choose your preferred order type, such as a market order, for immediate execution. Before finalizing your investment, it's crucial to carefully review all the order details. Double-check the stock symbol, the exact number of shares you intend to buy, and the selected order type to ensure everything is correct. The app will display an estimated cost for your investment, including any potential commissions, though many trades are commission-free. Once you are completely satisfied, submit your order. You'll receive a confirmation once your trade has been successfully executed, typically within seconds for market orders.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.